Welcome to the Only Automatic Instructor Training and Development Training Manual. Upon getting into your car, we always do the cockpit drill. We call it the DSSM. Door, seat, steering wheel, seat belt, mirrors. It's the driver's responsibility to make sure that the door is closed. Also, when opening the door, remember it opens to about 1.5 meters. So check your mirrors before opening the door. Use the Dutch technique to check for cyclists. Ask your driving instructor. Ensure your seat is at the correct height, the correct distance from the pedals, and in a comfortable position. The rake of the seat is at the correct angle. Adjust the steering wheel so that you're not overreaching or it's not too close or too high to you. Make sure that you can see clearly the dials in front of you. Engage your seat belt, pulling the clasp over with your left hand, forming a cup with your right hand to ensure that the seat belt isn't twisted or knotted and rests firmly on your right shoulder. Adjust your rear view mirror with your left hand so that you can see the rear window like a picture frame with your head in the normal driving position. Adjust your left and right door mirrors so that you can see just the rear door handle and about 50-50 of road and sky. Doing the cockpit drill correctly ensures that you are comfortable, you're able to see the mirrors correctly, and you're held safely within the car with the door correctly closed. Discuss all of this with your driving instructor. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel